Well, good day, smart traders, and welcome to another fantastic day. Let's start things off by having a look at our economic calendar for today.
Today's economic calendar only has two Black Star events in store for us. The first one will be the Great British Pound GDP report coming out at 9 o'clock South African Standard Time. The second will be the Consumer Sentiment Report for the US, due at 5. Just as a word of caution, markets could potentially be slightly subdued today during most of the sessions as a result of yesterday's inflation data that was released.
Now let's move over and have a look at what's making headlines today.
In currency news, the dollar tumbled to near a 9th-month low against the euro after data showed US inflation was easing, prompting bets that the Federal Reserve will be less aggressive with rate hikes going forward. Fed policymakers expressed relief that the price pressure was easing, paving the way for a possible slowdown in the interest rate hikes. But they signaled the central bank target rate was still likely to rise above 5% and stay there for some time despite bets to the contrary. Now let's have a look at what's making headlines on Wall Street. The leading US stocks gained some ground after December's consumer price report came in hand with initial estimates. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.2%. The S&P 500 was pretty static, and Nasdaq 100 added 0.5%. The December report indicated in a loss of 0.1% in the prices from November. Still, however, the mark is 6.5% higher than the year prior. This caused the market to initially retreat before moving in an upward direction. The CPI excluding food and energy prices was also in line with expectations, showing a month-over-month gain of 0.3%. Inflation fell 0.01% for the first time since May 2020, as predicted by economists, and was up 6.5% versus last year. Now let's move over to commodities. Oil prices gained about $1 a barrel yesterday, supported by the US inflation data and China's economic reopening boosting optimism over the demand outlook. Now over to gold. Prices of the yellow metal surged to more than an 8-month high this week as traders positioned for easing pressure from the dollar and treasury yields in coming months. Gold prices are set for a 4th straight week of gains.
So that's it from us here at Smart Online Trader. If you're interested in any of the additional services that we provide, kindly get in touch with us or simply click on one of the links in the description below. As always, may the peace be with you. Cheers.